Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to change Facebook profile. Now to do that, you need to open the Facebook application first. Tap on Facebook and then get logged into the account. Now once you have been logged in, you need to tap on the profile icon of yours. Tap that. There on the profile page, you tap on the profile in the camera icon button that you have. You tap that and it will show you this option where you need to tap on the option select profile picture. Tap that. With this, you will be able to select a new picture to be uploaded as your profile photo. So from here, I'm just gonna choose a random one. This is the profile picture preview of how it will look. You can also add stickers, text, or doodle if you want. Once all the changes have been made, you tap on done on the top right. And this will how it will look. And to make the changes, you need to tap on the save on the top right corner. You tap on save. This will save the changes, uploading a new profile picture on your Facebook. There you can see the change in profile picture. So this is how you can change your Facebook profile. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.